In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create another account in Duolingo. If you share a device, want a fresh start, or need a separate profile for a different language path, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. You won't need anything beyond the Duolingo app already installed on your phone or tablet. Start by opening the Duolingo app so you're on the main home screen. From here, look along the bottom navigation bar and tap your avatar. This is your profile icon, the place where Duolingo keeps your personal settings and account details. Once you're on your profile, glance to the top right corner and tap the gear icon to open settings. This is where the account controls live. Inside settings, find the option to sign out. Tap sign out and confirm if you're prompted. Don't worry, signing out won't delete your progress on your current account. It simply takes you back to the app's welcome screen so you can set up another one. This is a helpful way to keep accounts separate and organized. After you've signed out, you'll land on the start screen. Here, look for and select Add Another Account. This tells Duolingo you want a new profile in addition to any you already use. Next, tap Get Started, then continue through the on-screen prompts. Duolingo will guide you step by step. When you're asked to choose a language, pick the one you want to learn on this new account and continue. You may also see a few quick questions about your learning goals, your daily practice target, and whether you're a beginner or have some experience. Just answer these based on how you want this new account to behave. As you proceed, follow each prompt carefully. If the app asks you to create login details or confirm how you'd like to sign up, go with the option that works best for you and make sure it's distinct from any login you already use. Keeping separate credentials helps prevent mix-ups and protects your progress on both accounts. If you're creating this for a child or a shared device, consider choosing a unique username and a profile picture that makes it easy to tell accounts apart at a glance. Once you finish the setup and language selection, you're done. Your new Duolingo account is ready to use with its own lessons, streaks, and progress. In the future, you can return to your avatar and the settings gear to sign out again whenever you want to add or switch accounts. That's all there is to it. Simple, clean, and fully guided by the app's prompts. Happy learning!